First and foremost, skincare is the foundation of beauty. Make sure to cleanse, tone, and moisturize daily to keep your skin healthy and glowing. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential for keeping your skin hydrated from within. Sunscreen is your best friend. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. For a natural look, apply foundation sparingly. Remember, less is often more, and blending is key for a flawless finish. Enhance your eyes with mascara and eyeliner. Mascara can make your lashes pop, while eyeliner can define your eyes beautifully. Keep your lips moisturized with a lip balm or lip oil. Exfoliate gently with a sugar scrub to remove dead skin. Healthy hair is beautiful hair. Use a good quality shampoo and conditioner suitable for your hair type. And try deep conditioning treatments regularly.